Hey everyone, it's Eric Rodriguez, and this is video number 9 out of my 9 video series for affiliate marketing for beginners. So with this video, I just wanted to give you some motivation and let you know that I'm no one special. I'm just a regular person just like you, and I have no special skills. I'm just here, I'm just here trying to teach you as much as I can and eliminate all the testing and all the failures and everything that I've had, and I'm trying to punch you in the mouth with direct information so you can get started and cut through all the testing and everything. And I'm trying to get you right to the point so you can start making money as soon as possible, because living the life of working for someone else, making someone else rich, and then working 10-hour, 14-hour days, and all you have time is to come home, take a shower, eat, and then sleep, and then start all over again. That's not the way to go. I used to hate that with a passion, so I drilled it in my head that I'm going to do anything and everything that I can to eliminate that and have more time. The way I see it is that money is time. You know, if you have a lot of money, you'll have a lot of time, because you could pay your bills, work a few hours, and do the stuff that you like to do. Like me, I like to travel, I like to fly airplanes, I like to drive fast cars and do extreme stuff and just adventure out and learn new things and new cultures and try new foods and beers and drinks and all kinds of good stuff. You know, I like different things in my life. And with the age of the internet, it has allowed me to do that, and I am so grateful that I'm able to do that, because way back when, I mean, that's all there was just to work and work and work, you know, and we have it so easy now because of the power of the internet. So I'm trying to pass it on to you, you know, all the years of me testing and failing and everything. I'm trying to eliminate all that for you, and I'm trying to go direct, quick, and simple to help you make your dreams come true and live the life that you want to live and have more time and more freedom for yourself. So in this video, I just want to motivate you and give you, you know, just a kind of little push, and trust in the process, trust in yourself, and be grateful for the little things that you have, because a lot of people have it way worse than what you may have. So be grateful for that, and use that energy and that happiness to share it with the world, with your friends and family as well, and help them make money and help them, you know, live the life that they want to live, such as yourself. So in this video, I'm just going to give you a few things, you know, just kind of show you what I've done throughout, you know, the last 2 years or so with me traveling and doing the stuff that I love. So I'm not trying to brag. I just want you to use it as motivation and show you that I'm just a regular person. I could do it. Anybody could do it. Okay. So, you know, just let me show you real quick. Alright guys, this is me doing one of my passions and one of the things that I love to do, which is flying airplanes. This was a smaller Cessna, as a 4-person Cessna. I was able to fly from Orlando to Tampa. That was a cool experience, very, very fun. Perfect day for flying as well. And I've always been obsessed with flying ever since I was little. My father, he gave me or purchased me the movie Top Gun. Ever since then, I fell in love, and that was a wrap on that. There's me in a track. I was in Miami, I believe, and I was driving a Lamborghini. There's the girlfriend and I in Mexico. We were in one of the ancient ruins there, taking a tour. And this is the hotel. This is the pool and the beach in the background there from our balcony. That hotel was very nice. Mexico has beautiful beaches. This is the girlfriend and I in New Orleans. I was there double fisting some frozen drinks. Shh, don't tell nobody. This is New Orleans still. Right behind the white pickup truck there is the entrance to Bourbon Street, the famous Bourbon Street. This is us in Athens. I was there on the top of the mountain, Acropolis. That was very, very neat, very cool. This is me in the payphone that you really don't see any of those anymore in London. Had to take a picture because they're pretty much extinct. This was us in Paris. We definitely had to do the kiss, you know, very romantic. The girlfriend wanted that for social media. You know how that goes. This is one of my favorite places. This was in Rome. We were there at the Colosseum, which was really, really cool. We took a guided tour on that one. This was in Greece, in Santorini, in one of the islands. We had breakfast in bed. And yes, as soon as you wake up, you open the door and you have a beautiful, beautiful view of the ocean and the volcanoes there. This is Travel Dave. We take Travel Dave everywhere we go. This was in Barcelona in Spain. This is the girlfriend and I in Venice. This is my second favorite place. We were there. We had to do the gondola, of course, at sunset. And again, in Venice, Italy with Travel Dave. And he wants to say hello and get started. Alright guys, so that concludes the 9 video series that I did for you guys for the affiliate marketing for beginners. Now again, you don't need any special techniques, any special skills, any of that mumbo jumbo, because all you have to do is watch the other videos that I made for you 1 through 9, and I show you exactly step by step how to set up your affiliate marketing business from scratch. And you don't need much money at all. You probably only need like $50 or $100 just to get started, because most of the things that I showed you have free trials. So you could do the free trials and then start building it so you could start getting your leads, and it'll be well worth it at the end of the day. So again, I hope you got a lot of free value out of this, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because in my channel I'm going to be doing daily videos of techniques for online entrepreneurs such as you and I, and also I do reviews on products that help us entrepreneurs to be more successful and make things easier for us as well. So be on the lookout for those videos, and also if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I will answer them as quick as possible, or you could also go to my Facebook page, come on over, request me, I'll be your friend, and we could talk through Messenger, and I'll do anything and everything that I can to help you be successful and make at least that first dollar online, okay? Because I know how hard that is, and once you make that first dollar, all you have to do is scale it up and make more money. It's simple as that. But that's the hardest part, is that you have to be patient, you have to be mentally prepared, put all your chess pieces in order for you to execute and make as much money as you can, okay? So I'm here to push you over the edge, get you motivated, because maybe you've been thinking about it a long time, you think it's hard, but no, it is not. So make sure you watch the previous videos, and I'll show you how easy it is to get started and make some money online and live the life that you've always wanted. All right. So again, this is Eric from Orlando, Florida, and I hope you enjoyed everything as much as I enjoyed recording these videos. So I will see you on the next video, and take care, and cheers to your success.